Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about estimate of poverty. Estimate of poverty. Actually, such type of estimation is given in your book. Maybe some book, if you have bought the new book, maybe present the new data. If you have old book, you may have old data. Now we are going to give a medium-sized data. What is estimation? Here on the base of 1993-94, rural, urban, combined and population in million, that is given. Just 50.1% in rural areas were under poverty line, and urban area 31.8%, and combined 44.3%, and population 403.7 million was in 93-94. Now we are going to give 2K4 and 2K5. It is given 41.8% in rural areas, while 25.7% in urban area, and total is 37.3% in combined, or you can give 2 also 2%, 0.2%, as well as 407.1 million, as well as about the 2K 11 and 12, we can give 25.7%, as well as 13.7%, and 21.3%, and 269.3 millions are present under poverty line. So at the current you can find it. Here is a question. If our percentage is going to decrease, but our population is going to increase that are living in India, you can say due to the increasing population. Due to the increasing population, in spite of decreasing poverty percentage, our population that are living under poverty line is going to increase. जनसंख्या के बढ़ने के कारण यहाँ 403.7 है, लेकिन यहाँ 407.1 है, क्योंकि इस दरमियान हमारा परसेंटेज 44 से घट के 37 हो गया, लेकिन पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गया, जिसके कारण 37.2% हमारा 407 हो गया, जबकि यहाँ 44.3 बराबर 403 था। यहाँ पॉपुलेशन बढ़ने के कारण हमारा ये बढ़ा है, जबकि यहाँ अबाउट 22, you can find some place it may be given 22% means 21.9% equal to 22%, but our total population has decreased to 69.3 million. People of India are living under poverty line. Now we are going to discuss about vulnerable group. Vulnerable group. Under the vulnerable group, we can say the main SC, ST, agricultural, labor, casual labor are coming under vulnerable group because they can't protect himself at the time of disaster, illness and such type of critical time. Due to the group is considered as vulnerable group. They are poor, and due to poor their surplus is zero. They can't protect himself at the time of disaster. As well as the 50% of casual 43% of ST and 50% of agro labor are suffering under poverty line. In spite of it, you have watched in spite of it, in each and every family, the elder person, women and girls are considered as poorest of the poor. Poorest of the poor means, actually we want to say, in a poor family the least attention is given towards elder person. If he is going to sick, no one has any interest to provide health facility. For women and girls, the same thing is present. The poor person's male child may be sent to school, but couldn't dare to send girls to school. Due to it, the section is considered as poorest of the poor, means its condition is worst. Among the poor also, in poor family, the worst situation of them. Due to it, it is considered as poorest of the poor. And next, in the next